And now here our first entry. Entry number 1 is from GSM family. A combination of colors, red, maroon, gold, and black. And the editor is mine. Entry number 2 is from WGYF family. A combination of colors, white and black. And the name of the editor is Atan or Ethan. Entry number 3 is from T-Dragon family. Napakakulay ng kanilang logo. And the editor is Arlene. Entry number 4 is from the One family, a combination of colors, blue, orange, yellow, white, red, and the name of the editor is Narito or One Side. Entry number 5 is from Presco family, a combination of colors pink, blue, and white, and the editor is Option. Entry number 6 is from TPL family, a combination of blue, white, and black, and the editor is Heart. Entry number 7 is from KTG family, a combination of colors, gold, blue, pink, white, and black. And their editor is Jen. Entry number 8 is from UBFF family, a combination of colors, gold, yellow, and black. And their editor is Mommy LG. Entry number 9 is from Rebels family, a combination of gold, white, black, yellow colors. And their editor is Lynn. Entry number 10 is edited by Mar Polido, a combination of different kinds of color na may black, yellow, gold, blue, at puti. Entry number 11 is from NHHT family, a combination of blue, yellow, black, and my shining shimmering. And their editor is Jude. Entry number 12 is from TMF family, a combination of Philippine flag, colors yellow, blue, and brown. Their editor is Igado. Entry number 13 is edited by Papa Bear, a combination of many different colors. Entry number 14 from RLUF family, a combination of black, gold, and white colors. and their editor is unknown. Entry number 15 is from TRM family. A combination of colors black and white, hawak kamay kapatiran. Their editor is Lots. And here's the entry number 16, last but not the least, from SLF family. A combination of pink, black, and yellow. Their editor is Draw.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
And from Yorkie and TM family, in behalf of the admin, the creators, the founders, and the members, happy birthday po, Daddy Sniper and Inday Choices. Lagi-lagi niyo pong tandaan, mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Happy birthday! And now, the moment of truth! The winner is... Entry number 10! Congratulations kay Mar Polido. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sumali. Ang gaganda po lahat ng ating logo. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng family, sa lahat ng mga editor na sumali. Maraming salamat po at sana sa susunod ay sasali ulit kayo. Maraming salamat po.